The Yamaha Exciter 155, or commonly known as the Sniper 155, is sold in Vietnam with different appearance. The motorbike is installed with different accessories and different decal designs. The color of the Yamaha Sniper 155 is also sold in variety of color scheme. These are modified by the motorcycle dealers for their customers. The installed accessories includes upgraded brake levers, upgraded clutch levers, protective aluminum titanium grills, fairing cover, aluminum radiator cover, aftermarket mags wheels, aftermarket mufflers, monoshock gas suspensions, and many more. This modified versions of Sniper 155 are sold by motorcycle dealers in Vietnam. These versions are not available in the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia. If you have a Sniper 155, you can make this modified version as reference if you want to upgrade your motorcycle by installing these parts. The engine of this modified versions of Yamaha Sniper 155 are still in factory stock configurations. It has a liquid-cooled 155 cubic centimeters SOHC 4-valve fuel-injected engine with model-specific settings. It also has a 4.6-liter air cleaner box resonator with optimized specifications. The Yamaha Sniper 155 produces 17.9 PS at 9,500 RPM and 14.4 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM. The Sniper also comes with a larger 5.4-liter fuel tank for even more enjoyment. It's paired with a revised exhaust pipe and muffler to optimize power output across the entire RPM range, but also reduce noise. Powering this Yamaha Sniper is a 155 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine that makes 17.9 horsepower at 9,500 RPM and 14.4 Nm of torque at 8,000 RPM. The engine comes paired to a 6-speed gearbox. In terms of safety, the Sniper 155 gets disc brakes on both ends.